How to improve hand tracking on the Oculus Quest, Android Central. Oculus recently rolled out hand tracking support for the Oculus Quest. The feature allows you to navigate menus and even play some games with nothing but your hands. It's a new and exciting feature for the Oculus Quest. But it's still relatively limited in terms of which games you can play. While Oculus improved the feature after a year in preview, there are a few things you can do to help get the best hand tracking experience. The Oculus Quest's hand tracking works with the headset's monochrome cameras. This is great because that means it doesn't require any external hardware. However, it also means that hand tracking on the Oculus Quest isn't as precise as dedicated VR gloves. At least for now. Oculus uses AI to make the experience better. But there's still some work to do. To get the best hand tracking experience, you need to have enough light for the cameras to see you. If you go into an area that is too dark, the Oculus Quest will show an error message that tells you to adjust your lighting. It doesn't have to be as bright as the sun to work, in fact. You shouldn't use the Oculus Quest outside, but you need enough light in the room. In my house, most rooms are lit by a single light bulb, and hand tracking works fine. In my testing, I went into our brightest room, which has multiple light fixtures and 2 large windows. Hand tracking worked as well in this room as I've seen it work. Because hand tracking on the Oculus Quest utilizes monochrome cameras. A pair of black gloves can help the cameras see your hands just a bit better. The black gloves increase the contrast between your hands and the background, resulting in slightly improved tracking. Don't expect a pair of gloves to make the Oculus Quest's hand tracking feel like dedicated VR gloves. But these Melon's winter gloves, or gloves like them, helped improve hand tracking a bit. In my testing, I noticed less jittering and slightly improved finger tracking. It's worth noting that the background of my room is light. But the effect seemed to work even when I went into darker rooms. These little black gloves add a bit of contrast between your hands and the background behind them. This helps improve hand tracking a bit in our experience. If only by a little. Hand tracking is in its infancy on the Oculus Quest. It's available now and developers can implement it in their games. But it's still new. At the moment, hand tracking works in the Oculus Quest's main menu and with a few select games. If you want to try out hand tracking for yourself, make sure to check out our collection of the best hand tracking games on the Oculus Quest. The Oculus Quest supports 6 degrees of freedom and tracks both you and your environment. You can play a wide range of games and also enjoy VR and 360-degree video content. The Oculus Quest allows you to play VR games without requiring a PC, phone, or external sensors. Here's every game you can buy or download for free. The Oculus Quest is an excellent standalone headset. But you can make it even better with the right accessories. Here are the best accessories for your Oculus Quest. Cross-buy allows you to purchase a game once and have it on both the Oculus Rift and Oculus Quest. Not every game supports it. But there are dozens of excellent titles that do. Here's every single one of them. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.